Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe bafethu. Ama-reports aphumayo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibheke uku-eda umdlali laphana uTore bafethu. Umdlali bebamfuna previous seasons laphana edlala kahle kakhulu ku-Betway Premiership. Lo mdlali-ke lona uneminyaka u-27 bafethu. Ubedlala laphana ku-Stellenbosch last season, la dlale khona ama-match amaningi kakhulu bafethu. Was one of the standout performers for Stellenbosch, but wachuza ukuya e-UAE because of kunemali engconywana khona. Guess what? Contract yakhe e-UAE bayikhanselile, uyi-free agent. Kaizer Chiefs ingamthola mahhala. They don't need to sign to ukuthi bakhiphe imali ama-signing, i-transfer fees, into ezinjalo, but they just have to cover ama-salaries wakhe, that's it, because of uyi-free agent. And nomdlali lona uke wabonisa naye interest ukuthi angathanda ukudlalela ama-big teams e-South Africa. Unfortunately-ke ilokhu njana i-team yase-Saudi or ama-teams wase-Saudi bafethu anemali kangcono. If khona umdlali or ubangisana, let's say for example ufuna umdlali ofuna ama-teams akusiyi-Saudi, i-UAE bafethu, then i-problem ngempela. So lo mdlali wase-Cote d'Ivoire bafethu udlala amagame amaningi kakhulu ku-Betway Premiership. Udlale kuma-Rumo Gallants, but ku-Stellenbosch la dlale khona kahle kakhulu. Kaizer Chiefs, they're looking to beat amanye ama-teams ambhekile umdlali. So ama-position wakhe bafethu awu-3 kahle kahle. Udlala i-centre back, uyakwazi ukudlala i-left centre back, i-right centre back, uyakwazi ukuba centrally laphana ku-centre back. So ama-team awadlalelile, udlale laphana e-Cote d'Ivoire and then wadlalela i-Marumo Gallants, and then before, and then waya ku-Stellenbosch. Udlale nje just a season kuma-Marumo Gallants, a season ku-Stellenbosch. I think this speaks to i-rise yakhe to the peak of i-South African football overall, ne-consistency yakhe overall bafethu ukuthi lo mdlali lona u-exciting kangakanani nje in terms of i-defense. I-aggression yakhe ibaluleke kakhulu. u-Kaizer Chiefs bangakwazi ngempela ukubenefitha from yena. Why lo mdlali abalulekile ukuthi bangakwazi ukubenefitha from yena ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Kaizer Chiefs idila nama-injury crisis amaningi this season bafethu. Sikhumbule ukuthi one of their main defenders uDotley, uMsimangu abakabi khona at all this season. So lo mdlali lo uzo-add low depth laphana emuva. Abanawo ama-options amaningi laphana emuva. Inacho Miguel, ulokhu njana, Inacho Miguel odlalayo at the moment, and then u-Inacho Miguel medlala ubamphera noKwinika, and then kunokungena noMakhathi. uMakhathi sike wathinteka walimala, bangabi nama-option, kusho bebana abadlali abawu-2 nje kuphela, bathembele kubantu abawu-2 in most cases. So bayayidinga i-depth laphana emuva because they're not sure ukuthi labadlali uMsimango noDotley by the time babuya ku-injury babedlala ngeke bathinteke na, bayadinga ukuthi ba-ede laphana. Mina ama-midfielders we-Kaizer Chiefs maningi kakhulu, nalo mdlali lona uTore bayamdinga bafethu ukuthi akwazi ukudlala. Ku-Betway Premiership uTore bafethu udlala amagame awu-66. Cabanga, 66 games in 2 years. It speaks volume. Kuma-CAF competitions udlala amagame awu-24. Ku-MTN udlala amagame awu-6, ku-Nedbank Cup udlale 6, and then-ke lapha e-UAE udlala amagame awu-5. Ku-Carling Knockout udlale 5. Ku-CAF Champions League une-experience futhi ku-CAF Champions League overall. Umdlali bafethu okwazi ukudlala. I mean ku-Stellenbosch futhi udlale over just 2 seasons because udlala ama-match awu-76 ku-Stellenbosch, and then wadlala awu-29 kuma-Rumo Gallants. They need this guy. To be fair, they need this guy. They need to add this guy ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi bamake sure ukuthi bayalokha laphana emuva. Yes, they've done well in terms of ukuthi bangaconsider amagoli amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially emuva bafethu. Bakwazi ngempela ukwenza izinto zenzeke emuva, but you need that backing yokuthi noma kuthiwa laba badlala kahle laba abadlalayo, but once they drop i-performance yabo babe nama-option. Imagine if uKwinika no-Inacho Miguel uKwinika no-Inacho Miguel badrop ama-performances wabo ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngempela. At this moment abana-option, kumele babadlalise noma ama-performances wabo adropile. So badinga le defense leli balidinga serious bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi isikhathi esiningi masikhuluma nge-Kaizer Chiefs sikhuluma ngenkinga yasemuva ukuthi kumele balungise emuva kwasha kwacima, but guess what? I-defense is very important for bona laphana ukuthi bakwazi ukulungisa ku-defense. And ukuthola umdlalo one-experience engaka bafethu ebholeni lase-South Africa, I mean that's a great thing for bona. Bangakwazi ukubenefitha greatly ngalo mdlalo lona. So they should go for him, go all out. Well, obviously they mustn't break the bank because abadlali isikhathi esiningi bafuna ukumanipulate ama-team ukuthi because of uyazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyamfuna, iyamnida, ibonakala ngathi i-desperate. Ama-agencies wakhe bavele bafuna imali enkulu, uyabo, uze ubone nawe ukuthi okay le mali le unreasonable. So i-Kaizer Chiefs, they have to go to negotiations knowing ukuthi they will stand firm ukuthi if bam-offer let's say 200,000 a month, akube 200,000 a month. Ama-agents wabo angazama ukuthi hayi sifuna 500,000 ngoba umdlalo ubuye e-UAE na. So yeah, they just have to try and go all out. What I like about him, umdlali bafowethu, i-aggression part of i-game yakhe. I mean, the aggression part is very important for yena and the contribution overall ku-game yakhe bafowethu. So when I watch him, presence yakhe, you could feel it. Yes, uke waba nawo amaphutha sawabona sonke. I won't dive to amaphutha wakhe lapha ninge ngawabona, but-ke I think uzokwazi uku-add something that is missing ku-Kaizer Chiefs, which is i-depth yangempela bafowethu. Not just i-depth yokudlala, but i-depth yangempela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Akwazi ukubasiza overall ku-defense. Aba-eda lo emuva, ngakhumbula lento le before ngikhohlwa bafowethu. Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi bam-ede njengoba bafuna ukudlala ku-continental level. Wase-Ivory Coast udlalile kuma-CAF competitions, uyazi ukuthi i-aggression edingekayo ukuthi udlale lapho, ukulwa, uyawazi ama-tricks wase-Afrika. Iningi intel abangayithola from yena umdlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bangabhenefitha greatly ngokumsayina laphana umfowethu ukuthi mabayodlala e-Afrika bayazi ukuthi sinomuntu one-experience ebholeni lase-Afrika. So ba-add advantage ukuthi uzokwazi ukubasiza kulawo ma-department lawo ukuthi when they go, let's say, to Cote d'Ivoire, when they go to Ghana, unawo leyo nto leyo ukuthi I'm used to playing on the continental level, let's go, I'll try and help my team kanje nakanje nakanje. But yeah, umdlalo ongashape izinto, azitshentshe izinto kakhulu, because uma ubheka i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, okunika ku-continental level abayazi, uMcCarthy continental level abayazi. Akusibo kuphela, baningi abantu i-continental level abangayazi bafethu in terms of ibhola ku-continental level ne-demand yaku-continental level overall. UTore uyazi kahle i-demand yaku-continental level, yinto ayilethayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay bafowethu, njengoba nina ningayazi i-continental level, ningazi what to expect, mina as uTore obuye eCote d'Ivoire, odlalile nakwamanye ama-countries lawa through i-CAF Champions League ne-second tier of i-CAF, which is i-CAF Confederations Cup le abayidlalayo, angakwazi ukubasiza kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bafisela inhlanhla ukuthi baye all out, possibly bakwazi ukuvumelana ne-deal nalo mdlali lona, bangaba-manipulate ngoba bona bayi-Kaizer Chiefs. Ama-agents asisekabi, ngiyawazi, angamanipulate i-Kaizer Chiefs, bangavumi ukuthi ama-agent abanama-manipulate. They would rather walk away if bona bazovele bathi kuze i-Kaizer Chiefs then ikasifuneni imali enkulu ehlanyayo. Nah, they have to just negotiate well ne-Kaizer Chiefs, both parties babe right kuphela, umdlali akwazi ukubuya adlale. Because if bafuna iy'mali ey'nkulu, Kaizer Chiefs, they will walk away. Siyabazi, abachithi isikhathi-ke labo, they'll just walk away. But yeah, I'm expecting, this could be an exciting signing for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngibafisela inhlanhla ukuthi bakwazi ukuba ne-deal overall. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-10,000 subscribers.